So let's continue work some problems. So given that f of x equal 2x plus 7 over 5, find f of 4 plus f of negative 4. So f of 4 would mean you replace the x value with 4, right? So f of 4 would be 2 times 4 plus 7 over 5 plus f of minus 4, you're replacing the x value with minus 4, so that's 2 times minus 4 plus 7 over 5. Let's work each of them separately now. So 2 times 4, that's 8. 8 and 5, 7. 2 times 4, 8. 8 and 7, 15. So this is 15 divided by 5, which is 3. Plus 2 times minus 4, that's negative 8 plus 7. So that's negative 8 plus 7. What's negative 8 plus 7? Negative 8 plus 7, that's negative 1. So plus negative 1/5. So this becomes 3 minus 1/5. So 3 minus 1/5. That's what? 2 1/4, right? 2 1/4. Let's look at part B now. Part B, find the value of x for which f of x is equal to 9. So f of x equal to 9. So what's f of x? 2x plus 7. So 2x plus 7 over 5 is equal to 9. So f of x, and this is what f of x is, alright? 2x plus 7. So this, you put all of this, you say it's equal to 9. And then you can times both sides by 5. But you want to get rid of the denominator. So 5 times the left hand side, and 5 times the right hand side, and 5 into itself, 1 time. So what you have is 2x plus 7 equal 9 times 5. What's 9 times 5? 45. And then you group the 7 over here, so 2x would be equal to 45 minus 7. Or if you want to say you subtract 7 from both sides, so you end up with 2x equal to, what's 45 minus 7? 38. So 2x equal 38. You want the x to divide both sides by 2. So 2 into itself, leave you with 1x or just x. So 38 divided by 2, that's 19. So the value of x is 19. Let's look at another problem. F of x is 1/3 x minus 2. And we're asked to find f of 2 plus f of negative 2. So f of 2 means you replace the x with 2, right? So f of 2 would be 1/3 times 2, which is 2/3, right? Minus 2. Plus f of negative 2 will be negative 1/3 times negative 2, right? That's negative 2/3. And then you have your minus 2. Now, let's deal with this. So we have 2/3 minus 2. No, this is this plus minus here. Alright? What is this plus minus? Minus, right? Remember? So minus, minus. That's plus. And then plus, minus. You can see how different signs are different. That's a minus. So this equates to a minus, right? So let's group. So let's do it. So 2/3 take away 2/3. So these would cancel. Well, it will become 0, right? So these are 2/3. P in negative 2/3. That's 0. And then you have minus 2, minus 2. I don't keep the sign. So that's minus 4. Over here now, the value of x for which f of x is equal to 5. So we are told f of x equal to 5. So this is f of x. So we equate it to 5. Alright, so now we want to solve for x. So which means we need to get rid of. Let me just group in minus 2 over here. So 1/3 x equal to 5 plus 2, right? So 1/3 x is equal to 7. In other words, 1/3 of which number give you 7? Which number you divide by 3 to get 7? And to get that, you could times both sides by 3 to get rid of the denominator. So 3 times 1/3 and 3 times 7. 3 times 1/3, that's 1, so 1x. And 3 times 7 or 7 times 3 is 21. So x is equal to 21. And that's our solution. So here we have another problem. F of x is 2x plus 3 over 5 minus x. So first we're asked to evaluate f of 0. So f of 0 means you replace x with 0, right? So f of 0 would be 2 times 0. Now it's 2 times 0, 0, don't it? So the denominator is just 3. Over 5 minus 0. And 5 minus 0 is just 5, right? F of minus 2, so that's 2 times minus 2 plus 3 over 5 minus, and x is minus 2. Good? So 2 times minus 2, that's minus 4. And you have a plus 3 over this. The double negative here, it becomes plus 2. So negative 4 plus 3, that's negative 1. 5 plus 2, that's 7. Part C, the value of x for which f of x is undefined. Now, for a function to be undefined, it means the denominator has to be 0. Alright? So if it's undefined, it means that 5 minus x is equal to 0. And if 5 minus x is equal to 0 and you're solving there, you can just, let me say 5 is equal to x, right? You can just add x to both sides. I'll just bring the x over here. So, in other words, we're saying that when x is 5, this will become 5 minus 5, don't it? So when x is 5, the denominator is 0, which means the function is undefined. So the value of x for which a function is undefined, that value is 5. Because when x is 5, you'd have 2x plus 3 over 0. And remember, you can't divide by 0. Alright? Here we have another one. F of 1. F of 1 means you replace the x value with 1, right? So f of 1, that's half times 1. So half times 1, right? Minus 3. And half times 1 is half. So it's really half minus 3, good? What's half minus 3? Negative 2.5. Part B. The value of x for which f of x is equal to minus 2. So you let all of this function here be equal to minus 2. So half x minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Now you want to get rid of the denominator. So you times each term by 2. Times each term by 2, right? So 2 times half, that's 1. So I get x. 2 times minus 3, that's minus 6. And 2 times minus 2, that's minus 4. So you're solving for x now. So you add 6 to both sides, so cancel this minus 6 here, right? Or you see you group it over here. So this is negative 6. So over group, it becomes positive 6. And you have negative 4 remain. So x 6 minus 4. So x is equal to 2.